Hey guys, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. It's me again. So in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you a wig sent from NadulaHair. Now, I just got finished filming a video on this same exact wig, but from a different company. But this one is in color. So super excited for that. This is the packaging. Again, NadulaHair. All the links will be listed in my description box. So inside comes the wig. Then we have a elastic headband and a wig cap. So this is a 7x5 Byebyeknots lace wig. It is Brazilian hair, and I have this in 20 inches. Okay, and it also comes with the tape, just in case you don't want to use adhesive, or is that adhesive tape? So just in case you don't want to use glue. Anyway, this is the wig straight out of the packaging, and of course you can see it gives you that finger coil curl. So I think this wig is a finger coil curl, but check the color out, and the color is pretty subtle. So just in case you know you're not a big fan of color but you want color, here's the color for you. Here is what the parting looks like, and the lace is cut off. So this is like a pre-everything type of wig, like most of them have been lately. I love not cutting off any lace, not having to cut off any lace. The knots are bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked. That's what we're looking like. Again, this is a, hold up now. Again, this is a 7x5. So that's what the lace looks like in the inside. They do give you the thicker strap because honestly, y'all, I am not a fan of the thin straps they've been putting on these wigs. I like me a thick strap. Yeah, but it also comes with the grippy piece and a drawstring right here to adjust the wig to your head size, so you can wear this glueless if you want to. And here is a comb in the back, and this elastic, adjustable elastic band is removable. Alright, this is my Thanksgiving hair. I do feel like the lace is still too light in my opinion. So what am I going with? I'm gonna go in with I'm gonna go in with this, and let's see if it works out. I just think it needs a melt. Alright, y'all, here is my ending results. Super cute. Love the color. What do you guys think? I did go in and cut layers just in the front. Crop not all that even, but it turned out extra cutie. That color is so pretty. Alright, so I'm gonna play with her some more. I might pull her up just for like another style so y'all can, you know, get a feel of this wig. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig and the color in the comment section down below. The length is everything. I think I like curly hair in 20 inches. That might just be my go-to length for curly hair because she cute. Now, I don't know too much about the back, but we're about to see. And then when I go to play this back, I'm going to be like, oh my gosh, it looks a mess. Let me know how the back turn out. Because obviously I can't see, but... And I put a little clip right there, so don't mind that. You probably can't see it, but... So, guys, what do we think? Is she cute or no? Let me know. I think she cute. The color eats down. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. Also, if you are interested in this wig, all the links will be listed in my description box. And also check out the description box because there will be coupon codes. Y'all know Black Friday coming up, Cyber Monday, all of that goodness. So yeah, if you want to participate in that, go ahead and do your thing. Coupons will be listed below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next video.